Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how I decorated this cake with different colors of buttercream. For the ganache, I am going to use 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of heavy cream heated up right before it boils, 8 ounces of chocolate chips, you can use any kind you want, and a pinch of salt. In a bowl, combine the chocolate chips, the butter, and the heavy cream, and let it sit undisturbed for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, gently mix with a spatula until everything incorporates. At the beginning, it's going to look like it's all broken, and that's normal. Just continue to mix. You're going to notice the chocolate is going to start turning darker and there's going to be a shine to it. Once it's all combined, cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for about 2 hours. Make sure that the plastic is touching the chocolate. After 2 hours in the fridge, it should look like this. It has set, but it's still soft and it's more like spreadable. So now I'm going to use a handheld beater and I'm going to beat this up for about 2 to 2.5 minutes on low speed. You will notice that as you beat these, the color will start to turn lighter and the consistency will get a little bit thicker. It's because the cream is whipping up, so that's why it's important to not over whip it. Now my ganache is ready. It's soft and smooth, but it holds its shape. It's not runny. I'm gonna use this ganache as the filling between the cake layers and also for the crumb coat. Repeat this process with the remaining cake layers. Once you apply the crumb coat, refrigerate for about 1 hour and then you're ready to put the buttercream. So I have my buttercream in a piping bag with a large open tip and I'm going to use each cake layer as a guide for each color. Then I'm going to use my offset spatula to smooth it out. I have an empty bowl right next to me and I'm going to use this to collect the excess buttercream. I'm going to keep the colors separate as I might need this extra buttercream to touch up each layer. Repeat the process with the other 2 colors. Once I was happy with the buttercream, everything was smooth and straight, I'm going to take just the tip of my offset spatula and turn the cake to create these waves. So at this point the cake is finished. You can serve it like that. We've added some decorations that we show you how to make in a previous video, and this is the inside of the cake. Look at that delicious ganache for the filling. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!